Calling in your desires begins with accepting what you have. Find a comfortable seat or lie down somewhere you can fully relax. Allow your eyes to close and take a slow, full breath in and out. Breathing in, draw awareness to the space above the upper lip, and exhale, notice the softness of your breath. Allow your body to soften, unclench your jaw, shoulders melt away from your ears, and breath begins to find a subtlety. When we focus on calling in what we want into our life, we may forget to acknowledge that which we have. Gratitude is more than a thought. It's a frequency, a powerful feeling, a high vibration. In this short practice, we'll cultivate the emotion of love through identifying what we're grateful for in a very specific way. This practice can be extremely powerful. Cultivating feelings of gratitude enables us to enter a state of heart-brain coherence, and being in this state allows us to create huge shifts in our lives. If you're familiar with the work of Dr. Joe Dispenza, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But if you're not familiar, I'll add a link to his work in the description, which you can check out after this practice. To complete our gratitude exercise, you'll connect each inhale to a thought of something you're grateful for. It can be absolutely anything, big or small, a loved one, a place, an object. And with your exhale, you'll use your mind's eye to visualize that thing and allow your heart to experience the feeling of gratitude, allowing the emotion to gently swell in your chest, and then repeat with your next cycle of breath, thinking of something else, and so on. We'll continue this practice for a couple of minutes. I'll cue you when to begin and when to finish. Don't worry about being able to think about a number of different things. In my experience, once you get started, ideas of things that you're grateful for will come to mind easily. Get ready to begin by fully exhaling. And then inhale, calling to mind something you're grateful for. And exhale, feel it, see it, embody it. And repeat, inhale, something else. And exhale, feeling it in your chest. Allow this rhythm to guide you and continue. With every cycle, seeing how the feeling and the emotions grow in your heart space. The more that we sit with this feeling, the more we can tune our energy to what we want to invite into our lives. You might be feeling a warmth in your chest, a lightness, or a sense of peace. Allow those feelings to grow bigger. From a manifestation perspective, gratitude is one of the most powerful practices we can use. Because when we vibrate in gratitude for what it is that we already have, we signal to the universe that we are open to abundance and ready to receive more. Take one final round of the exercise, and then allow your attention to come into a place of stillness. And as we start to bring this practice to a close, find a final sense of gratitude, but this time not for people or moments or things in your life, but for you, for showing up, for choosing presence, for choosing yourself. And gently shifting awareness back into your physical body, noticing the contact points where your body meets the ground beneath you, or your chair or your bed if you're lying down. Palms face down on your knees, gently rub up and down the thighs, grounding energy back down. Rub your palms together just to generate a bit of heat, and then placing both hands over your heart. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you as you move through the rest of your day. And if you'd like to learn more about heart-brain coherence, check out the links in the description to this video. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.